Here is how to make your own playlist. YouTube has made it kind of tricky, but hopefully this will help. So come to YouTube. You have to have your own YouTube channel set up. So this one happens to be set up. Come on down here to your channel. All right, here we go. Leeway Preschool 123. Great channel. Come on over here to YouTube Studio. Now, come to the left-hand side on the dashboard. Videos. Third one down says Playlists. All right. Coming up here, I have a bunch of playlists made already. If you want to make a new playlist with the new rules, come on over here. Click New Playlist. Give your playlist a title. I'm going to call mine Test 2. All right. And press Create. And there you did it. All right. So here is Test Tube. Your list is empty. Let's come on the other side where it says Edit. All right. There's our empty list. You could give it a new name later on in the year if you want. A little description, such as Fall Songs. Come down to the 3 dots, and it says Add Videos. So here's what shows up. Click a URL. Okay, so let's get a good song. Matilda the Gorilla. All right. Oh, the way to do this is you come to the one you want, click it once, right click, and then go to Copy. Come on back to your page, and right click again, and click Paste. There it is. That's the video, and add video, and that is song 1 in your list. How good is that? And that is how you can eventually add many songs to your playlist to use with your classes for different purposes. Hope you enjoyed this video.